everyone, welcome to this channel. So in this video we will learn vocabulary and we will learn that how we can use different word instead of using very in our daily use. So let's start. So first word is very beautiful. Instead of saying very beautiful, you can say gorgeous. Okay, so for example, if I say that you are looking very beautiful, I can say, instead of saying this, I can say you are looking very gorgeous. Second word, very ugly. And instead of this, you can say hideous. Okay, so there is one dress and it's looking very ugly. So you can say this dress is hideous. Third word, very scared. And you can replace this word with terrified. Okay. So if I'm very scared, I can say I'm terrified. Very excited, which we can say thrilled. So I'm thrilled to see you learning English. Okay, next word, very confused. So you can say perplexed. I am very confused today. So I'll say I am perplexed. Very surprised, astonished. I was astonished to see my first position in the final list. Very thirsty, parched. Okay, so I am parched. Very clean, spotless. She is maintaining her house so nicely that it looks spotless. Very dirty. And you can say instead of this, filthy. So, for example, the floor is very dirty. You can say the floor is filthy. Very important. You can say crucial. That studies is crucial for mental development. Next word, very tired. And you can say exhausted. That I worked from 9 to 5 and now I'm exhausted. Very hungry, starving. Please, mother, prepare the food quickly. I'm starving. Next word, very happy. You can say delightful. I am delightful to see you learning. Very angry, furious. That my father got furious by seeing me with my friend. Very cold, freezing. It is freezing outside. Very hot, boiling. The weather is boiling today. Very big, huge. The monster is huge. Very small, tiny. ant is tiny in comparison to elephant. Very fast, rapid. He was rapid in completing his works. Very slow, sluggish. She is sluggish in completing her works. Very empty, desolate. This book is desolate, or the box is desolate. Very shiny, gleaming. The sun is gleaming. Very colorful, vibrant. Use vibrant colors. In your drawing. Very new, pristine. So, this book is pristine, very quiet, silent. Why are you silent? Very dull, tedious. It was looking tedious, very difficult, arduous. This maths problem was arduous, very risky, perilous. Completing 100 meters within 10 seconds was a perilous task for me. Very thirsty, parched. I am parched very often. Frequently, we meet frequently in the park. Very dry, arid. This desert is arid. Very valuable, precious. My book is precious for me. Very sad, desolate. Why are you looking desolate? Very expensive, costly. This dress is costly. Very detailed, meticulous. This explanation of English is meticulous. Very bad, atrocious. He is atrocious. Very good, superb. My way of explaining is superb. I hope also. Very stupid, idiotic. He is idiotic. Very creative, innovative. I like innovative ideas. Very brave, courageous. You should be courageous enough to speak English in front of people. Otherwise, you won't be able to speak English. Very shy, timid. by seeing his fiancée. She got timid. Very kind, compassionate. I am passionate. Very wise, sage. I am sage. Very noisy, deafening. The sound of DJ is deafening. Very painful, excruciating. When I heard the news that my uncle has passed away, it was excruciating for me. This news was excruciating for me. Very loose, baggy. This dress is baggy. Very smelly, stinking. This food is stinking. Very perfect, flawless. This writing is flawless.